Good morning, guys. Just shot a buck. Shot it at 700 yards. Took 3 shots to get him down, but first shot was a hit. I think it was a little behind. I over accounted for the wind. I put the crosshair. I held far right, so just on his facing towards the left broadside. I put the crosshair. I just held on his rear, and I think that was a little bit too much hold. Got him a little bit behind, but follow up with a second shot. I missed on that shot. I underheld, so bullet drifted to the left. Bullets coming from the ocean. So third shot, he stopped broadside and held just in front of his chest. He's facing downwards to the ocean. So I think I got him right on the shoulder, maybe a little low, but he ran maybe another 15 to 20 yards and dropped, but haven't seen him moved, and I can see his head sticking up, so hopefully he's down. It's my farthest kill with the new Christensen Arms MPR 6.5 Creedmoor. Hunting the Stewardship side of the island, so the Keomoko region, and just about to leave the area and check another spot, and decided to glass another time, just look, check the area, and sure enough I saw this buck. It's a freak horn looking buck and a doe coming up from the gulch here, and had multiple times ranged them at 550 at first, but couldn't get a shot. They kept walking through the kiawe trees. Had another shot at 600, but couldn't get that shot. Still weaving through the trees, and finally, last opportunity, they stopped at 700 and started feeding. Dialed up right around 16 minutes of elevation MOA, and yeah, braced myself for the shot and sent it. Pretty good size. It's probably maybe a high 20s. Haven't seen a buck like this in a while, or basically any much deer on this side. Mostly mouflons, but yeah. Thank you guys again for tuning in. So yes, it's been a busy year, so I haven't gone hunting as much, but when I do, I just try to push myself and just work hard at it and glass as much as I can, and yeah, I got lucky today. Alright guys, gonna pack up my stuff and head out towards him. Alright. It's kind of in the middle of the screen there. Can't really get much zoom already, but I see something, guys. Yeah, you. Woo. Okay, nice one. Oh, this buck. Nice. Nice one, guys. Kind of late season, but yeah, got it done. Biggest buck of the year. Check him out. That's it, guys. Got my buck. Nice one. It's my first axis deer with my new Christensen arms MPR and 6.5 Creedmoor. Shot this buck at 700 yards, and yeah, farthest confirmed kill with this gun as well. And yeah, this gun is unbelievable. Got the carbon barrel, and it's pretty light too. It's only out of the box about 7 pounds, and with the scope probably 8 pounds or so. But yeah, I got it done. Hunting the Stewardship side of the island, so the eastern Kemoku region. And yeah, thank you guys for watching my videos. Yeah, I've been pretty busy with work and just my business and stuff, and get to hunt every now and then, but not as much as before. But yeah, trying to get some content for you guys. Didn't get the shot on camera, but got this some cool shots on the way up here. Pretty good climb here, and yeah. Yeah, if you haven't yet, please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. More action to come, guys. And as always, yesa, blessa. Alright.